All right, guys, we got Juny's Miata. We did the intercooler piping on this car. Tuned it a long time ago. I mean, what, 3 years ago? 2 years?
2 years.
We tuned it last?
Yeah.
All right, so he put a new turbo on it, new intercooler. I just did the intercooler piping. You know, I'll put some pictures of that in the video, some before and afters. Other than that, it's the same. Just has a full exhaust now instead of a hood dump. So you've seen that on my channel, the panda colored Miata with the hood dump. That's this car. So he took the whole engine out, just resealed it, and basically just starting fresh this year. You know, the engine was still good, so he kept the engine the same. But so stock 1.6 OEM Garrett turbo from like a Nissan, 2.5-inch intercooler piping, eBay intercooler, and those are really the only mods. The full exhaust. So we're gonna get back on the Megasquirt here in a minute. We've been test driving the car and getting it dialed in. We already did the base timing on the crank with the casts and everything, so already did all that. Laptop's sitting over there charging, and we're just looking over the car one last time. We went and got E85. Last time we tuned it, it was on 18 pounds. We're probably going to keep it around 15 pounds with this turbo. We'll see how the power feels. We wanted to make the same or more power than before, so we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, it's not panda colored anymore. He's just got to do the roof, but you know, he painted it the same color as his brother's car. You've seen the VQ 240. I did the intercooler piping on that. You saw that in some videos. So yeah, we're gonna get in this thing, and hopefully the intercooler coupler doesn't popped off on us once, because I don't know if I forgot to tighten it or what, but you know, this intercooler piping, it's all mounted to the chassis, so it really shouldn't be popping off. So we'll see what's going on. But yeah, stay tuned. I just have you on the head GoPro so we can get as much footage as possible, because I can't be on the laptop and holding camera at the same time. So we're gonna try like this. All right, let's see what happens. Alright, coolant's bled, fans are running, got the bumper mounted up better. Everything's good. Everything's good. I love how the intercooler sits now. Way nicer. More leaks on the turbo. Those clamps were loose, but I put fresh ones. Put fresh clamps here. Everything's good. Solid. Okay. Done. Oh yeah, there it is. 17. That felt fucking good though. I did already tune this car, but with a different setup, as I explained earlier. So like, it shouldn't be that much to get it right. So we already did all the hard work before, so we'll see what she's running. Oh, you went to fifth, I think. It looked good good though. It's like 11.8. Yeah.
Like 17 pounds.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna richen it just a little tiny bit. I saw like a 1210. So I gotta find that spot on here. I'll richen it a little bit, and honestly, it seems fine. So, yeah. That's relieving. We can make this leaner here. We can bring this down. There we go. By the red line seems a little bit, it's like I see like a 12.2, so I would like to richen that up a little bit. So let's do that right now. All right, I have changed it. Let's see what she does. Oh, it's money, baby. Woo! Holy shit. Woo! Golly.
That brakes.
I feel some vibration. Bro, it was money.
But that was like 120 right there.
God damn. I like it. Try some drifting.
Try a donut.
Try a donut. Oh, the fifth gear again. I think he's just turning left here. Or yeah, pulling over.
I thought he was waiting for me to pass.
Oh.
I got it fucked.
So at first you were too low in the RPM. Yeah. Seemed good after that. This thing is wild. It's like an untamed horse. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to see or think of anything that it might need.
Told you it will be quick.
When everything is figured out, it's quick, yeah.
Taco Bell?
Huh?
Taco Bell?
If you're offering. Alright, here we go. Bit too long. All right, sick. All right, well, we got it. Juny's car's back ready for the events as long as we didn't break anything. All right, well, that's it. Peace out.